Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel's Achievers Academy. Students, today the next part of this topic, a treat for mosquitoes. I already sent the video about this topic, a treat for mosquitoes. Some remaining part is here. So in that particular video I can't discuss about these topics. So today I will discuss, and hopefully you must be get much more knowledge. So here is the first topic, survey report. A treat for mosquitoes. As you know, how we can protect ourselves by the mosquitoes, because mosquitoes is spreading many kinds of disease. Then we have to protect ourselves by the mosquitoes. So firstly we will discuss about survey report. Survey report, if you surveys, if I divided two group your class, and you survey about this, where is the mosquitoes is breeding and how it's, what is the reason of this, then you can feel, then survey report will come. We can feel that there are so many mosquitoes in our surroundings because of dirty ponds and pits. This is the survey report will come by your survey or any other persons. This is the fact conclusion. And second topic is how we can aware. As completion of this topic, I already just discussed about previous video. So let's just summarize this. Be aware. Firstly, don't let water collect around your house. We have to much more careful about this. We don't let get water collect around your house, because of if collection of the water is in your surroundings into the pool or pits, then water will dirty, and after that there will mosquitoes breed, and much more mosquitoes is going to this surroundings, that particular surroundings. So we will just come to the difficulties about these mosquitoes. Keep the water pots, cooler and tanks clean. We also aware about that. Keep the water pots, cooler and tanks clean. And third one, use mosquito nets. We should use mosquito nets to protect yourself, because if we protect by the nets of mosquitoes, then mosquitoes will not enter and touch our body, and they didn't bite ourselves, and we can save the protect ourselves by the mosquitoes. And third, spray kerosene if water has collected at some places. If water is collected, then there is a one waste. You can spray the kerosene oil, and then the breeding process will go to decrease, and also mosquitoes will die. Okay. And third one, medicine for malaria. In previous time, cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Cinchona is the one of the most useful that after utilization of that particular trees in previous time also get relief about the malaria. Nowadays tablets are also made from this particular tree. So cinchona tree is very important for malaria treatment, isn't it? You can also read in your book. There is one topic of cinchona tree, and here is the I discuss about also cinchona tree. In previous time, cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria, but nowadays tablets are made from by the cinchona tree. Fourth, a scientist peeps into mosquito's stomach. A scientist peeps into mosquito stomach. How we can say? A scientist just discovered what is inside in the mosquito and what kinds of parasite they released into our body. So this kind of discovery is very useful for us. So who discovered this mosquitoes parasite? In December 1902, Ronald Ross, scientist name is Ronald Ross, get highest award of his discovery. Which kind of discovery? Malaria parasite. Malaria parasite. The Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1905. That means he also discovered the malaria medicine in 1905, and he gets the prize of Nobel Prize. This is the highest prize of our society, our community, for the human being. If a person is doing something is much more specific, then that particular person can take the Nobel Prize, isn't it? And last one, disease caused by flies. We should also aware about that flies, because flies is also spreading many kinds of disease. Then what kinds of disease is spreading by the flies? Dysentery, typhoid, cholera. Dysentery, that means if we are getting this kind of disease, then vomiting and loose motions is going very frequently, very little bit time we are going to the washroom and vomiting. Whatever your water in our body, that must be outside, very much frequent movement. This is the dysentery disease, and typhoid, you know about this, much more level of the fever and weakness, body ache, all these kinds of symptoms by the typhoid. And cholera is also one kind of a dysentery. That means in that particular time also you must be loose motions and other symptoms is coming as like a vomiting. So when flies eat contaminated material, that means ऐसे सड़े गले स्थानों पे जब फ्लाई बैठती है, then harmful germs stick its leg. जो हार्मफुल लेग्स होते हैं, हार्मफुल इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं, पैरासाइट्स होते हैं, बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, वायरस होते हैं, वो उसके लेग्स में स्टिक हो जाते हैं, चिपक जाते हैं। When the sun fly, जब वही फ्लाई sits on food, जब फूड whatever we will take the food, before that, if that particular fly sit on that particular food, then what will happen? Then food, the germs get transferred. Whatever they stick in that particular fly's legs, that germs get transferred to the food. वही जो है germs वो ट्रांसफर हो जाता है फूड में, और thus fly spread various disease. इस तरह से फ्लाई के द्वारा विभिन्न प्रकार के डिजीज फैल जाते हैं. तो we should also aware and we should also protect our food, neat and clean, and protect our food by the flies, so we can protect these kind of disease as like cholera, dysentery and typhoid. So we all discuss previous video this kind how we can protect ourselves by the mosquitoes. Today's I also discuss about the survey report and be aware. Then in the topic of be aware, all the students, you must be make a poster and write down all this awareness how we can protect ourselves by the mosquitoes, and also you draw the figure about some parts. The figure will go page number 71. This kind of figure you must be draw on that particular poster, and also write down point by point how we can protect ourselves and what kinds of awareness will need to protect ourselves by the mosquitoes. So you must be do this activities and show me on by the WhatsApp, and all of you listen very carefully this video, and I hope if you having any kinds of doubt, you must be asked by the phonic calls or by the medium of WhatsApp chatting. Okay, so all the best all of you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.